Hello and welcome. We are Team EcoTrackers from Med BKC Nasik, presenting our project for carbon footprint tracker for the theme AI for climate change. Our team consists Svejal Patade as team leader and Vaishnavi Rane, Nikita Shisode, Vibhuti Patil as team member. Our project is practical implementation of the idea that climate action begins with awareness and measurement. This project focuses on how digital tools and AI based logic can help individuals understand, monitor, and reduce their carbon emissions, thereby fighting climate change. As we know, climate change is one of the biggest global challenges. Many people are unaware of how daily activities like electricity usage, cooking fuel, transport choices, flights, and diet habits contribute to carbon emission. So, our goal behind this project was simple: help common people to measure their carbon emission, show them clear visual insights, and provide actionable eco friendly tips. This is our project carbon footprint tracker, which calculates the carbon emission. This is the home page, which consists some information about our project. Interactive calculator. We can adjust electricity, travel, and diet consumption. Then we will see some CO2 impact. Then we can compare with it Indian average. We will see how carbon footprint compares the Indian average per capita footprint, and we also get some personalized suggestions on reducing the carbon emission. The first step, that is either login or register. If we click on login, we will see the login page. For this, we have to insert some values for login and password. If we click on login, we will redirect to the home page. If we click on calculate now, we will see the carbon footprint calculator. For this, we have to fill the values according to the provided information. For this, we have to select the scope, that is either individual or all. Then we have to insert the values, that is electricity, kilowatt per month, LPG or gas, kg per month, vehicle travel, kilometer per month, public transport, kilometer per month, air travel, kilometer per year, and the diet type. So, first electricity, then LPG usage, then vehicle travel, public transport, air travel. Then we have to select our diet type. For this, there is a vegan, non vegetarian, or vegetarian, and calculate. For the calculation, we have provided some standard factors. According to this, the carbon emission values are generated. Then we here we see the total carbon emission per month. For then all we have selected the values. This is the electricity calculated carbon emission calculated for electricity according to the given values and the standard factors for the emission of electricity. It will multiply the input value with the factor, and according to this, we will see the electricity generated for the carbon emission and as for the another values also. Now, if we click on the dashboard, we will see an interactive page which will gives a line chart in which we can see the last three entries. For last three entries, we can see how the graph is increase or decrease. In this state, the graph is increasing. For entry 9, we can see the total carbon emission is 480. For entry 10, we will see the carbon emission is 652.8 kg. And for entry 11, the carbon emission is reduced to 658.8. Here we can see how the graph is increase or decrease according to the provided values. Here we see the pie chart. In this, the pie chart breaks down the individual values and uh, gives the information about the usage. We can see for flight, electricity, LPG, vehicle, then public transport. It gives all the input values in pie chart according to their usage. Then here we can see the summary. There are total 11 entries are provided. According to this, we can see the total carbon emission, and also we see the average entry. Here we see the last recent entries in the carbon footprint tracker. Now, if we click on the tips, we will get some personalized and eco-friendly tips to reduce the carbon footprint, such as save electricity. For saving electricity, we have to switch to energy efficient appliances, turn off unused devices, and prefer natural light during the day to reduce the electricity consumption. We have to use public transport. We have to minimize the personal vehicle use of personal vehicle. We have to use buses, trains, and carpooling option to reduce travel emission. We also see another tips to to reduce the carbon footprint. So this is all about our how the carbon footprint tracker is going to be used for calculation of carbon emission, and we can see the graph and pie chart. According to this, we are also see the line chart. We also see how the tips are provided for the reduction of carbon footprint. At the end, this project is complete end-to-end demonstration of how simple user-centric carbon tracker can convert everyday behavior into actionable environmental insight. It includes secure user scoping, a transparent calculation engine, persistent storage to track the progress, effective visualization to motivate change, and practical tips that turns awareness into actions. Thank you.